Want to know the pro way to disassemble a frame? Start at the corner. Insert a flat tool into the diagonal gap. Give it a slight twist. See that? It pops right up. Pro tip: press the frame down with your thumb and give it a quick upward tap. It'll slide out perfectly. Just repeat this for all 4 corners. Make sure to remove any leftover nails from the frame. Now for the reassembly. First rule: alignment is everything. Make sure all 4 corners are perfectly flush. Lock down 2 corners first. For larger pieces, double check that the middle edge is perfectly straight before moving on. We're using F25 brad nails for maximum hold. Don't go too long. F25 is the sweet spot. Hold it steady, fire the nail gun, and you're all set. Solid and secure.